Can you show Mommy the letter O? What is O for? Well, there is an O in the word lion. Is the word O for orange? What does lion start with?
Roar.
Yeah, the lion says roared. What does what letter goes like lion?
X-ray.
X-ray, you being silly. Okay, can you show me an X for X-ray?
This one.
Oh, okay. Can you show me an L for lion? Can you show Mommy? Thank you. Okay. Can you find an S for Sophie? Where's the S?
No, that's not the S.
Let me see. Don't hear. Oh, Sophie, what letter is that?
T.
Z. Can you find the S? What is Z for? What is Z for?
Jessica.
Yeah.
A chicken.
You can be a chicken. You don't want to play this game right now, huh? Okay.